this is my Lego house. So, I'm starting off with the minifigures. And here's the mom. She is, like, on the camera, she probably has a blurry face, but she has a girl face and ponytail. And, yeah, and some jeans in a red shirt. And there's a little boy. He came with the city corner. And he's pretty cool. And there's his big brother. So he's wearing like these cool pants with some pockets, and yeah, that's pretty cool. And let's just set him right there. And we also got this guy, the dad. So pretty cool. He's got that truck driver outfit with some glasses. Let me fix his face. Got some glasses. So yeah, those are the minifigures. And I'll start on. And next I'll just do the bike and the skateboard. So here's the bike. It's pretty cool because it's got that thing so it never falls over. And it can roll back and forth. And there's a light in front I put on. And here's a skateboard with like a city with the sunset thingy. And pretty cool. And there's also a couple trees, and there's a light, and there's a little sandbox for the little two boys. And there's just a bunch of stuff in there, and there's the little boys' bedrooms. And so, yeah, there's the porch, and these doors can open also. So, yeah, that's my Lego house. Thanks for watching.